Ever accidentally tap that delete button on an important Instagram message and panic? Don't worry, there's still a glimmer of hope to recover those lost conversations. While Instagram doesn't have a direct trash bin for messages, we're going to explore some potential methods that could help you reclaim those deleted chats. Our first and most official method is requesting your data from Instagram itself. To do this, head to your Instagram profile, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner, then select your activity. From there, scroll down and tap Download your information. You'll want to select the option to request a download and choose the JSON format for a more detailed file then. Simply tap Request Download. It can take up to 48 hours for Instagram to prepare your data, so be patient once it's ready. You'll receive a link to download a file containing all your Instagram activity, which might include your deleted messages. Now, let's talk about third-party apps. While Instagram doesn't endorse them, some applications claim to help recover deleted messages. Use these with extreme caution, as they require granting access to your account, and it's crucial to research and use reputable ones only. Finally, consider how you might have backed up your phone. If you regularly back up your device, your deleted Instagram messages could be part of that backup. Restoring your phone from a recent backup might bring back those lost conversations. So, by trying Instagram's data request, exploring caution with third-party apps, or checking your device backups, you have several avenues to explore when trying to recover those crucial deleted Instagram messages.